What's going on, guys? I hope all is well. So I wanted to talk about the Federal Reserve's upcoming decision on potentially lowering the Fed rate, lowering interest rates. And this is a big decision because over the past few years, the Federal Reserve has hiked interest rates. They have raised interest rates in order to try to combat inflation. And those rates have been higher over the past couple of years. But now the markets have been expecting the Federal Reserve to lower interest rates because the Fed has almost met their interest rate goal. The interest rate goal was at 2%. They wanted to get it to like 2%. I think right now, last time we had the CPI check, Consumer Price Index check, it was at 2.9, 2.8%. And the 2% basically means that that's the rate at which prices rise up, essentially, the rate at which prices increase. And they haven't met their goal, but it's been well expected that they are still going to lower the interest rates potentially. And it's potentially that they may lower the interest rates 3 times to end this year. And this is big on a couple fronts. One front is it's going to make money cheaper. It's going to make money cheaper to get. So that could spur more spending. That could spur people having lower interest rates as far as credit cards and loans and things of that nature. Mortgages as well. If you're a person who's interested in potentially buying a house, it could be prudent to check out those rates, because if they lower the interest rates 3 more times potentially this year, you're going to have lower mortgage rates. So that's going to be a big thing as well. If you're interested in buying a car, you could potentially have lower auto loan rates as well. So you just see that money is going to be cheaper. So that could spur spending. It could help people, especially when buying bigger items such as car loans, especially mortgages. With mortgages being so expensive right now, you definitely want to make sure that you get a good rate and make sure you're not overspending, because I know buying a house is very expensive and every dollar counts. So definitely with the lower interest rates, it can cause those mortgage rates to go down, which can save you some dollars on your monthly mortgage payment each month. Also, the second thing, it could definitely spur on the stock market as well, because when those rates go down, it could definitely help companies, because when money is cheaper, you have a lot of companies who borrow more, and then it makes money cheaper to where they can borrow more money and put more money into their company. So that can spur on the stock market to help the stock market kind of keep on pushing. You see the stock market has just been kind of going up and up, it seems like, over the past months. Despite things you see is with the tariffs, despite socio-economic issues, the stock market has been going up. So this could actually potentially cause the stock market to go up when money is cheaper, because people are going to be, or companies are going to be using some of those monies and be able to and reinvest in the company. So those are some of the things to look for as far as with the Federal Reserve rates. So it's something huge, because you have to pay attention to what's going on in the economy, because we are impacted by these things. We are impacted when the Federal Reserve lower interest rates, because we all have things associated with the broader economy. So it's definitely important to know what's going on and know how it impacts you. So definitely stay on tune with that. But like I stated, with these rates going down, it's definitely going to spur more spending, and we'll see how that impacts the world. We'll see will that further potentially raise up inflation or cause inflation to go back up, essentially, with rates being lower and spurring spending. So we will see. But I just want to check on you guys and to let you guys know that. So I appreciate it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.